10522 Exeter Avenue Northeast. Dates January 13th, 2021. We're looking at the Seattle City mainline sewer flowing by there down out under the street on Exeter. We're going to come back from this point and get a look at the line. So we're at about 75 feet 9 inches there. We're going to get a footage here as we come back. So this is 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line. See the bottom's pretty aggregate. There's some toilet paper. It's starting to hold up. When it gets really rough, it starts to hold the waste up. So that's what you're trying to avoid. A little toilet paper, so little pockets of toilet paper there. A little bit of root coming in there, not a ton. So coming right here back into 4-inch diameter pipe. So from 75.9 to, we'll call it 30, 31. 75.9 minus 31, what is that? Oh man, I'm drawing a blank here. 44 feet. 44 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. And coming back into 4-inch now. So we'll start at 31. Coming back into this 4-inch diameter pipe. There's kind of a rough section that's starting to get offset. You can see it's also holding the toilet paper up. That offset section could potentially cause a clog. And this section is flat through here. You can also see a tie-in on the upper left side of the screen there. So there's one tie-in. I've already located that. There's actually another tie-in down here that I did not spot on the way back that I want to go look at really quickly here. Not there. There it is, tying on the right side of the pipe there. I've also located that mark. So, and that's just into the 6-inch diameter pipe there. So I've already located that. So really we'd be digging to about there. So 43 feet of 6-inch diameter. Coming back into 4-inch diameter here. And this is where I'd want to dig to there. So about 12 feet of 4-inch diameter and 43 feet of 6-inch diameter liner to be installed if we're going to do this properly, and then dig up all of this section. So I'm going to end the video there, go over my findings with the homeowner.